Welcome to our kitchen oasis. Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious coleslaw with hint of lemon. These are the main ingredients. First, you shred cabbage. You remove the thick core in the center and cut in half, and then roll two pieces together like this and shred it thinly. You could use a slicer. Put shredded cabbage in a bowl. Next, the onion. You remove the core so that the onion slices will separate well. Slice thinly like this. Towards the end, you change the angle so that you can hold it better. Put the slices in the bowl. Then you julienne carrot. First, you slice the carrot very thinly, diagonally. Then you slice a few slices of carrot together like this to cut the carrot into very thin sticks. Put the carrot in the bowl. Sprinkle some salt and rub it into vegetables. You squeeze the mixture and some water comes out of the vegetables. This process will get rid of excess moisture from the vegetables so that the coleslaw doesn't get watery. Cover the bowl with cling wrap and rest it in the fridge for about 20 minutes. After resting, you remove the liquid from the vegetables. You put the vegetable mixture in a fine colander or a strainer like this. Then, using your hands, squeeze the mixture tightly to remove as much liquid as possible. Put the squeezed mixture back into the bowl. This will ensure even the leftover coleslaw stays yummy. When I sliced the vegetables, this bowl was almost full, but now it is condensed this much. That means the flavour is condensed as well. You could add this liquid to your stock or soup if you don't want to waste. But remember, it's salty. Now you season the salad. You add canned tuna in oil. Please add some of the oil from the can. Then lemon juice, lemon zest, and Japanese mayonnaise. You could use other mayonnaise for this recipe. Then you mix well. If you like more dressing, you could add more mayonnaise. You add some salt and pepper, but please taste before you add salt because it may be already salty enough. Mix really well and this is done. You could sprinkle some chopped spring onion as garnish. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.